Good afternoon, everyone. So I'll be taking the topic. Uh, I will be taking the topic circles. Okay. So as an introduction, we should first understand what do you mean by a circle. So, circle is defined as a locus of a point which moves such that its distance from a fixed point always remains constant. So that fixed point is called the center of the circle. Okay, fixed point is called the center of the circle, and the point whose locus we are trying to find, x comma y, that is moving on the circumference of the circle, which means it is moving on the boundary of the circle. So the definition of the circle is such that it is always, we have to find the locus of this point such that it is always at a fixed distance from this point, which is the center. So in satisfying this condition, it will always move in a circular path. Okay, so the distance PC is fixed, which is the radius. So now if we take the square of this, PC square will become R square. We can write PC using the distance formula. So x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to R square. So by this form, we get the equation of a circle. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to R square. Now we come to the concept of general form of a circle. General form of a circle. So in general form of a circle, we write the equation of circle like this: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is defined as the general form of circle: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now if we want to find the coordinates of center and radius in terms of g, f and c, we need to express this in the form which I derived earlier. So x square plus 2gx and then y square plus 2fy. C will go to the right hand side, so it will become minus c. In order to create this a perfect square, we will add g square. In order to create this a perfect square, we will add f square. So g square and f square will also be added on the right hand side. Now combining these three terms, this will become x plus g whole square. Combining these three terms, this will become y plus f whole square is equal to, I can write this as square root of g square plus f square minus c, and then complete square of that. So now if we compare this form with the form that I derived earlier, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. We know that the coordinates of center are h comma k. So comparing this, h is equal to minus g. So x coordinate minus g and y coordinate will be minus f. X coordinate of the center will be minus g, y coordinate of the center will be minus f. And comparing the terms on the right hand side, radius of the circle will be square root of g square plus f square minus c. Okay. So if we compare the left terms on the left hand side, h is equal to minus g, k is equal to minus f. So coordinates of center become minus g comma minus f. And if we compare the terms on the right hand side, we get the radius of the circle as square root of g square plus f square minus c. Okay. Now let's do some problem related to finding the center and radius of a circle. Okay. So let's do one example. Example. The question is, suppose we have a circle whose equation is given to you: x square plus y square plus 10x plus 8y plus 1 is equal to 0. We have this equation of the circle: x square plus y square plus 10x plus 8y plus 1 equal to 0. And now we need to find the coordinates of center and radius of this circle. We need to find the coordinates of center and radius for this circle. So if we compare this circle with the general form, the coefficient of x is 2g, which means 2g is equal to 10. The coefficient of y is 2f, which means 2f is equal to 8, and constant term is 1, so c is equal to 1. So by comparing the general form with the given equation of the circle, we get g is equal to 5 and f is equal to 4. Now we know the coordinates of center of the circle is minus g comma minus f. So this will become minus 5 comma minus 4. Right. So from this equation, after comparison with the general form, we get the coordinates of center as minus 5 comma minus 4. And now we apply the formula for radius of the circle as square root of g square plus f square minus c, which means this will become square root of, the value of g is 5, so 5 square is 25, value of f is 4, so 4 square is 16, and then minus c is equal to 1. So we apply this formula, radius is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. G is equal to 5, so g square will be 25, f is equal to 4, so f square will be 16, and then minus 1. So this becomes 25 plus 15, which is 40. So radius is equal to square root of 40, and 40 is 4 into 10, so this can be written as 2 root 10. So by applying the formula for center and radius, for this equation we get the coordinates of center as minus g comma minus f, which is minus 5 comma minus 4. And by applying this formula for radius, we get the value of radius of the circle as 2 root 10 or root 40. Okay, so I hope you understood this question and also the theoretical part that I explained you earlier. Okay, thanks for watching.